अमरीकी नायब सदर JD वैंस का कहना है कि बाज़ हवाले से ईरान के साथ सिफारती मुज़ाकरात अच्छे रहे क्योंकि दोनों फरीक दोबारा मुलाकात पर मुत्तफ़िक हुए हैं। अमरीकी TV फॉक्स न्यूज़ से गुफ्तगू में वैंस का कहना था सदर ट्रंप ईरान के जौहरी प्रोग्राम का हल तलाश करने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ताहम अमरीका की कुछ वाज़ेह रेड लाइन्स हैं, चाहते हैं ईरान एटमी हथियार हासिल ना करे।
And actually, I just talked to Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner this morning about some of their negotiations. Is the United States has certain red lines. Our primary interest here is we don't want Iran to get a nuclear weapon. We don't want nuclear proliferation. The President of the United States is very much trying to find a solution here, whether it's through diplomatic options or through another option that means that the Iranians cannot have a nuclear weapon. That has always been the main focus. If you go back to the campaign that he ran in 2015, the Republican primary campaign that he won, he said Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. I think it's very important for the American people to appreciate it's one of the most hostile and also one of the most irrational regimes in the world.